Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today we're showing off the Anker Eufy camera security. It's 2K resolution for indoor security camera. It comes with, like I said, 2K resolution and on-device AI. I know everyone's worried about cloud AI for recognition. This is on-device AI. And we'll get closer to the box here so you can see some details. Right there, human and pet AI, so it recognizes both. 24/7 recording. Of course, they have different plans that cost different amounts. Then we'll get to this. Scroll over this, and you can pause the video anytime to take a look, because we know that you like to do that. It works on iPhone and Android devices. The apps are free, but there are plans that cost different varying amounts. There's some more information about what's included in the box and what it offers. And here's the last bit of information right here about security. Again, it has on-device AI. The AI does not go to the cloud. It's on this device right here. So you get this camera. It has a speaker right here, has the charging port, has a button right there. And then this part at the bottom mounts, and it comes with a mount as well. And then it comes with the brackets and screws for that mount. And then it comes with the wall charger. So here's a simple wall charger right here. It's a USB. And then this is the micro USB and USB type A cable that they give you. So that's nice. It's also white and it matches the Eufy camera. This is 2K resolution and it's from our friends at Anker Technology. Thank you.